Am I the a-hole for letting my picky eater child go hungry? My 4-year-old has decided to become a picky eater. He doesn't have autism or anything else that causes sensory issues, he's just picky now. He used to be willing to eat anything. If he had his way, he'd only eat french fries and goldfish. Obviously, I'm not going to let him live on just those two things. I'm also not about to be bossed around by a toddler. What I've been doing is that if he turns up his nose at a meal, I'll just say something like, "All right, I guess you can eat this later," and put the food in the fridge. If he asks for a snack, I offer him the food, and if he refuses, no snacks except for milk. At the next meal, I'll offer it to him then if he didn't eat it before. He carries on for a bit, but he eventually gets hungry enough that he'll eat whatever it was he was refusing to eat before. He's never gone more than a day refusing to eat. If he did, I'd probably give him something else. My mom friends are horrified I do this to my kid and tell me I'm old-fashioned. I also feel like the worst mother in the world when my kid is whining about how hungry he is. For the record, my husband is completely on board with this method.